Welcome, guys. Welcome back to another video of the Barcelona Career Mode series. So, it's the third episode today, guys, and yeah, it's about to be a banger. So, first of all, let me just show you the team we have built around Barcelona. This is the team, guys. De Jong is in the he's injured right now, so we are going to substitute him for Gavi. That change I just had to make really quickly. We are going to play Christensen over Araujo in this game. And right now, so we played the first La Liga game of the season yesterday. It was really good. We won, and yeah, so we have got a few offers. So I'm not. I just accepted the ones that needed to be accepted right now. And I also heard a comment from one of our friends in the comments below that we need to sell Lewandowski. So definitely, my man, we will definitely sell Lewandowski at his age at the right time. But right now, we just don't have enough funds to make the signing of our dreams or signing that we potentially want in this team. So I'm going to bench Rafinha for this game, as I want to give other youngsters a try in this squad, because having a squad this young means you can practically do anything with it. And the players will not get angry. We can always just say that we're trying to make better adjustments. So yeah, this is the team, guys. And team, we are going to put Fermi, but right now we are just not going to do that. And Pedri is not going to be removed from the team as he's one of the most crucial players. So let's advance 6 days, guys. So yeah, guys, finally over here, Pablo Torre has left us, guys. I know it's sad because he is just a youngster, but it's okay, guys. Okay, guys, next transfer out is Hector Fort, and he has gone to Roma for 2.7 million euros. It's a good sale in my eyes, as I think we did good. Now, guys, we are there to the Athletic Club Bilbao match, and we are third in the league, and they are sixth in the league. So this is going to be an interesting match, and the squad is really good. So let's see it. Let's see this. Okay, so we are going to check the team first. As I think Lamine Yamal, yeah, he's still in a bad state. So I'm going to play Rafinha over Fatih because he has more control. De Jong is back, so I think we need to give him some time, man. Because you know, like almost too good, but I think we have to change him for Fermin at some point. And yeah, guys, this is the best team I could make. Okay, Lewandowski doesn't play. Yeah, that's really good. And we don't have any young striker that can play Lewandowski's position. So I've given it to, the veteran. Okay, guys, we are right here in the game now. And I think this is going to be a game where we get challenged for our, tactics and things like that. So, see, that was a bad pass from Pedri. I'm going to try to defend this ball really cautiously. I have it right now. I just want to get a hold of this ball right now. Okay, it's really good. And then I think I'm going to pass right there. Oh my god, my pass was aimed to Fermin. Torres showing why he is not the best option for that right wing spot. Okay, that's a step that Lamine Yamal wouldn't miss. But of course, I can't compare Torres to Lamine Yamal. That's a good save. I'm going to pass that, and that's a goal. That's a good collective team goal, guys. And I love that Lewandowski didn't shoot there because it's probably it's going to be risky because the keeper can always save it. And I like how Fermin curls it up for a beautiful finish shot. Okay, this is good. This is going pretty smooth. So I'm going to Fermin. He's going to be putting in the most of the work right now. And ball with Kunde. Kunde, can you do something with the ball? Okay, it's kind of leveraged out. He couldn't manage anything out of that. Okay, now Pedri. Pedri has the ball. Actually, let me just try De Jong's first touch. Wait 1 second. Okay, De Jong. Where's De Jong? De Jong. Let's play the pass to. Oh no, that's a really bad. That's a mishap. Okay, that's a long ball pass. That's a good trait of his. Okay, Torres, good control, Torres. Kunde showing the attacking wing back capabilities. Koundé, Koundé, Koundé is going to push back. Koundé, no, we cannot always aim for the long shots, guys. It's time for Fermin to show a bit of skill. Of course, he was, contested there. He couldn't make the best of it, best of the opportunity.
It looks the right ball.
Okay, Ferran, back pass. Oh no, that's a really crusty move from me. What a finesse! What a finesse, guys! Ferran Torres scores good goal. I think he's leading the Golden Boot race. He did score a hat trick in the last game, and what a beautiful curl finesse shot, guys! And I wanted to tell you guys that we are playing on amateur difficulty, as I am a noob. So please, advise me which should I crank up the difficulty, because even I think we should crank up the difficulty because this is just too easy right now at this point. Okay, Pedri has the ball. Pedri is going to be the smoothest on the ball right now. I think he's even smoother than Lamine Yamal on the ball. Just look at the turns, and that's a goal. So, yeah, guys, we've just won this match 3-0. So I think we should definitely crank up the, the difficulty settings. This will promote me to be the better player and, give you a more games. So, yeah, guys.
There was never any doubt, was there? Hits it hard and true, and the keeper just can't react in time.
Good work to beat the challenge.
They almost had it. So, guys, now I'm going to just, sim this game to the end, because we don't need to play the whole thing. We just won 3-0. And okay, 3-2, guys. They did come back. I got a bit scared, but okay, we did amazing there. We did pretty good. So now, guys, I'm just going to change the settings. Okay, so right now we have difficulty. Let me just bump this up to professional. Actually, semi-pro for now. And yes, guys, this is the whole settings. As you can see, nothing is rigged, guys. I'm actually, trying to be better at the game. So we are leading the league table right now, guys. So, and our notifications, let's see them. Okay, so Lamine Yamal is complaining and he's saying rotate. Okay, so I think we are just going to put a rotating excuse there because I just wanted to try out the new squad, guys. Okay, so now Frankie de Jong is just, trying to be a very little sarcastic with us. And of course, he said that he wanted to play. We played him and he did really good. I have no complaints. Okay, guys, so right now we have some offers. Let's check them. Ferran Torres is a player. Ansu Fati, yes. I do want to sell Ansu Fati. And, guys, after his fallen form, I do believe he has no starting place in the squad. And, like, he's going to get disheartened. So let me go to this. Let me offer them 25 million for Ansu Fati, guys, and they are willing to pay 25 million euros for Ansu Fati. That's really good, amazing, guys. Jules Koundé for 77 million. No way, I am not selling Jules Koundé. He is so young, so bright. I am not selling Jules Koundé. Okay, these are two players, academy players that we do need to sell. Okay, guys, so now I think we have enough transfer budget. Let's see in the office. We have 200 million, guys. This is what I've been doing. 200, even off camera. I have been doing a lot of stuff, and you can see, guys, transfers. I made 82 million profit, and this is just amazing, guys. We only spent 26 million this far in the season, which is a bit concerning. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, so let's check the calendar of upcoming matches. And these are just league games, guys, and I can't play every game. Please tell me if you want me to do that, but then episodes will be too long, guys. I just cannot help it. I have to sim these games, guys. So let's see. Against Rayo Vallecano, I think we can win this. Easily we have this in the bag. Yes, guys, 4-1 victory. It's really good. It's really good. I love the momentum. FC Barcelona versus Valladolid FC. That's a draw. That hurts right now, I cannot lie. Girona, we have a game against Girona. So international break is going on, but now we have the match. Let's see. I hope we win this. Okay, this is a draw, guys. We are falling in the league. I cannot, lie. So, guys, the Champions League is here, and this is about to be very serious now. So we are going to play the Champions League match. Champions League first game against Monaco, away game. And okay, guys, I'm really worried about the standings. So let me just check La Liga standings right now. Okay, guys, we are third in the La Liga rankings. We are just off by 2 points from first. It is not not that scary right now because I believe we can come back and win the league easily. Okay, why is Lamine Yamal not getting any chances? No, 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 guys. This cannot happen. Lamine Yamal is not going to leave. No, no, no. This is something is wrong, guys. Wait, guys. Let me just check the squad. Squad, huh? Okay, why is Lamine Yamal not getting the appearances he wants? 4 appearances. No, 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 guys. This cannot be happening. We have to play Lamine Yamal every day now. This cannot be going the same thing. Let's play Lamine Yamal. And for striker, let's play Lewandowski. Ansu Fati, we are going to substitute for Rafinha. Rafinha, we are going to put him. And Pedri, it was just inevitable. He is going to get tired, guys. He is just not. It's not endless stamina that he possesses. So, guys, I have to change the squad a bit. Yeah, this is the best squad I could get right now. Where is Martinez, guys? Okay, guys. Yeah, Martinez. All of my players are very, very tired. I'm going to play a 16 rated Kunsea. Guys, let's just play this match and yeah, let's see how it goes. We are definitely going to play the first Champions League match. Let's play this against Monaco, guys. So it's not going to be that serious, but yeah, let's play this. And we just put the difficulty to semi-pro, which is going to be a bit a bit scary for me, definitely. So we are facing Monaco at their home, which is definitely difficult because of the atmosphere my players have to face.
I'm Guy Mowbray.
Okay, so I can already see that the responses are a bit more tactile.
And we're good to go
Okay.
with match day 1 of the Champions League.
Okay, good ball, but we just couldn't handle it.
Yeah,
Couldn't, control the
Seems
speed
like
of the
high
ball.
hopes of getting to
Okay,
the
right
knockout
now
stages.
Gavi is
Just
on
to
the
get quick
charge.
start, gaining control of the
Gavi.
game early.
Okay,
That's
good,
going to be
good
key.
ball.
Hopefully we'll
No.
see a good match.
Okay, Balde, good run. Okay, Balde is going to make the
Here's
run
how
forward now.
Monaco line up.
He's going to make the run
Yeah, it
forward.
does look like a 4-4-2.
Can he pass?
Out
Okay,
the
Lamine Yamal's
possession, I'm
pace
sure they'll
is
stay
hurting him.
compact in their shape. They'll shift across the pitch
Okay,
together.
that's a
But when
really
they go forward, the
stinky
central
tackle.
strikers are going to be
Okay,
key to hold
Dani
the ball
Olmo
up while
providing the
waiting
most
for
pressure he
runners.
can. Okay, we have Gavi.
Okay, it's time to cross to Alex Scott now because there's been a goal
This
elsewhere.
game is really slow. I can already feel it.
Let's
Let's just try the trickster over the injured player. That's really funny,
Regular
guys.
updates from Alex along the
Okay,
way.
so we are just going to try a few skill
Just
moves.
needs the
Try to
composure
move the
now.
ball forward. Can we put inside? Okay,
The ball is lost.
really good defending
and
from
the
the Monaco
chance has
defender.
gone too.
Fermin. Okay, that's a really good ball control for Fermi.
Oh, maybe a bit of
Lamine.
space now.
Lamine.
What a chance.
Lamine. Oh,
The
that's a good
goalkeeper
save,
more than
guys.
ready for
Good
it.
save from Monaco's keeper. I can't even lie about that.
Played into the box.
Okay, I just want Balde. Okay, Lamine Yamal
Working
now.
hard to win it back there.
So can they?
And the
Okay,
attack is over.
Balde. I believe in
Really
you,
good
Balde. Come on,
defending.
run. Balde just ran a lot. No, Kunde mistouch. But we have the ball now.
Lewandowski.
Okay,
This is the
Lewandowski, man.
Barcelona
The
team
age
sheet.
and the pace is
Yeah,
just
it looks like
crumbling
a
at this point.
4-4-2, and I
It's not
always
going to
think
get
that
any
this
better from
system
here.
offers a strong
He's
defensive
really good
presence
where he
all
is
over
right
the
now, but
pitch. And in attack, you
it
always
was
have numbers
inevitable.
getting forwards. They've got
Let's move the ball.
quality out wide,
Come
so
on.
I'm
I
sure
want
the
Lamine Yamal
players
to
are going to
secure
be
the ball.
used today.
Oh my god, this semi-pro is a bit difficult. I cannot
I'm
lie
being
because
told
I just
of a
started the
goal
game
at City. So let's go
and
to Alex Scott.
It's a goal from Manchester City. It's all even Stevens at
Mm.
1-1 with 28 minutes played.
Oh my god,
Alex
that's a
there
really good move
ensuring we
from
don't miss a thing.
Gavi.
To
Lewandowski.
put them
Lewandowski
ahead.
power shoot.
And it's a
Oh,
good
that's a
timing
really good save by the
although one you'd
keeper
expect to be
again.
made.
This is
Corner for
already
Barcelona,
way more
and the
stressful
possibility
than
for them
the
to take the
amateur and
lead.
beginner difficulties.
Well, it was
So,
looking good, but ultimately
okay,
nothing
this
doing.
match has to be, has to be very secure and very safe.
Now this
Okay,
might
Lamine
be
Yamal.
promising.
That's
And the
offside.
flag goes up for
Okay,
offside.
so guys,
Well,
Lamine
it's
Yamal
sloppy,
has a good
isn't it?
performance
Just
this
needs to
game,
hold on to it a
but
little
I really
longer.
can't
Given
just
time to get back
rely
on
on him.
side.
Rafinha has to show
Clearly.
some of his skills also, what he has in his locker. That's a really good tackle. I cannot believe
The ball back with
amazing tackle
Barcelona
by the
now.
youngster. Okay, that's a really good dribble. That is why Rafinha is here. He
Space
is
to
to
attack here
belong.
for Barca.
Okay, okay. Can we release this for
And
Lamine
this could
Yamal?
be
Lamine.
excellent work in goal
Okay,
there.
good
Well
try from
saved.
Lamine Yamal, guys. I cannot expect anything more. He is not Lewandowski. He will not be that critical inside the box. Okay,
And
that is
that'll
half
do it.
time. Okay, so we are back in the second half,
Away
guys.
we go then. And
Second half has
things
to be
can
a
only
bit
get
more
better
critical.
from an entertainment point of view.
Okay, okay. So Lamine Yamal
Oh,
full
great
charge,
work. What's next?
full charge. Okay, he just erased the defender from existence. Same with these. Can he?
Decent chance this. The keeper reaches to
Lamine,
punch
that is
away.
impressive, really
So a
impressive
corner
with the
coming up for
youngster.
Barca.
I cannot believe he just,
And they need to
so
clear it here.
clinical at this age,
That's a good
even
ball.
from weird angles like that.
The goalkeeper
That's
ready
just
for it.
unrealistic
Really
from
good
me.
stop.
Just trying something new. That is my fault, guys. Okay. No. Okay.
Well,
Now
they've been
almost
really good in
Fermin. I mean,
possession and have created
no.
opportunities.
Balde.
It's just about
Good
finding the
Balde.
rhythm in the
Bad
final
tackle by Balde.
third.
Bad
I'm
tackle.
sure it won't be long before they
Because
find that
Gavi
quality
is
in the last
not,
part of the pitch
being the
zone.
best player we can make him.
They won't score
Okay,
without the ball,
Lewandowski
that's
is
for sure. Need
just
to get it
as
back.
physical as all the other youngsters in the team. Oh my god, this is a
This
good
has to
release.
be.
Good release. Can Lamine Yamal make the goal?
Having a try. It's back
Oh
off the
my
bar.
god, guys. Lamine Yamal
It's
hits the
cleared,
post.
and they can breathe
That is
easier.
just a 10 out of 10 performance, guys. 10 out of 10
Oh, that
performance.
wasn't
He
far
hits the
away,
post.
was it? They
Unlucky,
did well to
unlucky.
create the chance. They just
As
couldn't
as
quite
the
finish
people
it
say
off
that,
there.
Oh, what an
the post can
opportunity
be the
this
keeper's
is.
best friend. So I'm just gonna try something. Okay.
Well read to
Blocked
gain
by the
possession.
Monaco defender. Okay, it is crazy how it's just 1-1 with so many
I'm hearing
finesse.
that there's been a goal in
Tried
one of the
with
other
Lamine
games.
Yamal, of
Over
course.
to you,
Okay,
Alex, for
Koundé
the
just got
update.
opened up.
Yes, another goal for PSG.
Okay, Koundé just.
After a
Koundé,
well-worked move,
where are you,
he
Koundé?
got
Come back.
himself on the
Oh no.
end of a cross
Okay,
with a
Koundé is back. Koundé is
beautiful
back.
header.
He is
They're
gonna.
back in this now with
Okay, that's a good
65
ball.
minutes played.
Controlled,
Regular
calmly,
updates from
no
Alex
pressure.
along the way.
Okay, it's a good ball. Come on, now we want just Lamine Yamal. No,
A
the
little
pace is
sloppy on the
not there,
ball there.
guys. Cannot lie to you, the pace is not there. It's
Well, the
it's
transfer
the
everybody's
reason
been
that
talking about
Lamine Yamal
has
is
now
pretty
been
tired,
confirmed. So
and
will
this
they or
this
won't
is
their
giving me a run
discussions
for my
can now
money.
end?
Well, yeah, I think he'll have so
Okay,
much
Balde
fun.
just got a
Obviously, his
card.
quality on the pitch, but
I
his
just okay, it's a
experience
yellow
of
card,
big
guys. We
games,
can
and
manage a
he
yellow
can
card with
pass all
Balde.
that knowledge on to the youngsters coming through. It's
Okay,
a great bit of
Lamine,
business,
take
I
it out,
think.
take it out. Okay, no, guys, clear.
Crucial
Okay,
defending.
that's a good clearance. Good
The
clearance.
counter looks
Good
on here.
clearance.
Options available. Well,
Okay,
it
I
looked
just
so
tried to pass the
promising,
ball
but
to
it's come
Lamine
to
Yamal,
nothing.
but it just didn't happen. Okay,
This
Koundé
looks
is
really
here
good.
to
Could we see
defend.
a winning goal?
Okay,
But
that's
able
good.
to
That's
deal
good.
with the danger decisively. Well defended.
Oh my god, what a monstrous touch from Lewandowski. What a monstrous touch from
Lewandowski.
Lewandowski. Come
He's
on,
in
Leva.
here. Oh, great save
Oh
to
my
keep it
god,
level.
guys, this
How
is probably the
important was
hardest
that
game
save?
I have
It's
ever done
class
in
from
the
the
in this
keeper.
manager
I
career
thought
mode.
they may have lost the game there, but
Okay,
he had
okay.
other ideas with a
No,
great
we just
stop.
couldn't handle the press, guys.
Oh, this
Okay.
could be it.
Oh,
Oh, what an
oh,
opportunity to break the
Lewandowski,
deadlock.
what
Well,
did
in
you
the
just
dying
do?
embers, you
You
just
missed the
wonder
open
if
goal,
we're going to see a goal
Lewandowski.
here.
No, guys, we cannot let this happen. A draw on the first game of the Champions League. No,
Very
no,
quick to
this
close
is not
down.
happening to us. Lamine.
Oh, a great chance. And that's a
No,
fine
guys,
save.
another
And it's still
opportunity
level.
stopped.
That
This
is
is probably
such
the
an
keeper's
important
best
save at a
game
vital
of his
time,
life.
and if they get a
He's
result here,
really
they'll have the
struggling
keeper
in.
to thank.
Okay. So right now, I'm just going to keep ball.
And the attack is over. Good defending.
It's not a counter attack in this minute.
And
Okay,
that
guys.
will
So
do it.
we just proceeded, and yeah, guys, it was a draw. It was a draw. It was sad, but okay, guys, I understand we just did that, but yeah, guys. So that is it for this video. Please tell me down below transfer list advice and stuff. Who I have to put on transfer list? Who I have to buy? Please tell me all of that down in the comments below. And yeah, this was a very successful video. So yeah, bye guys. I would see you next time. Bye bye.